Good morning and happy Friday,
Happy
everyone.
Friday.
My name is Anna
And
Hill.
I'm Fuljens, Henry.
And today we're about to have a lot of fun testing out new AI writing tools that have been available before, but there's one that has taken the internet into storm, right? And that's ChatGPT. Not sure if you have tried it, but we have been having some fun with it. And we have actually tried other tools that we have already, that we all have used before, but now they have this feature integrated in them. And then we're going to go over, we're going to write prompts, and we're going to check how the AI interacts. Those prompts, same prompts, interact in different AI writing tools. Right. So if you have any that you are already using that you love, please feel free to share it in the comments, and we can also test those prompts on those desktop if they have a free version of it. Okay. So get ready to have fun. Just like you saw, Fuljens had a gray hat on, right? That was your AI generated picture.
With some building blocks to it because the hat was made in Canva. The fedora was in Canva.
Right, and the Ecam logo was also added to this hat.
Right.
So all of these tools, right, that are being made available to us, in my opinion, is a great thing. And it makes us helps our creativity even more, because now we can do a lot of the same things that we used to do before, and with the same creativity plus, right, in a shorter amount of time. And this is what we like. We like doing that. And also sometimes, even with the art, we tried the art last night. It wasn't super
was
accurate.
creepy.
Yeah, but it also might be because of the prompts we are using, right? And that's where it goes to show that there are some controversy out there in its own right, that this AI writing tools are going to take jobs, and people are going to be cheating and things like that. But in my personal opinion, what I think is this is going to make those who are people who are great at what they do or good at what they do even better, because the creativity is already there. You cannot replace creativity, right? So these are the things that we were trying to do, and Fuljens and I are trying. He's adding his prompts, and he's getting totally different results for the same. We were looking for the same image, but he was writing his prompt and he was asking them to do something, and I was asking for the same value, but for the same image, but with different prompts, right? So there is a difference, and it depends on how you creatively input this information. So we're gonna go over all of that, but before we get started, let's go to the comments and see what's going on.
Right. Happy New Year, everybody, by the way.
Right, Happy New Year. Oh my gosh, right, because
Yeah.
we were on ENN, so
Yes. Mr. Moderator is here.
Yes.
Nino America is looking forward to this.
Nice.
Tatiana, welcome back. Good to see you here.
Tatiana.
Andy, good morning. And Dr. Dwayne Wood, good to see you here.
Hello.
Gospel Source. I started using the chat GPT 15 minutes ago, and I'm blown away.
Yes, yeah. Well, you're gonna love the prompts that we have for you today. So the prompts are incredible. They're incredible. It's pretty awesome. Yeah. Exactly, right? People, yes, Paul, you have an incredible point right there. But then, everyone has their point, because they're to something. There's always two sides. There are always two sides of the story. So we are going to start with some prompts, right? And these prompts are prompts that we found online. So we just search for Chat GPT prompts, and you can also search for AI writing tools prompts. Jasper is one of those writing tools, and you can ask specifically for Jasper writing tools. However, it's going to be the same. You can use it across the board with all different, because we tried it last night. So Fuljens, take it away.
First of all, there was a prompt site that you were using yesterday. Which one was that?
Oh, I thought I sent it to you yesterday. So here we go. So you have it. You should have it on your
On my Safari.
Yeah, but if not, just go with the Chat GPT prompts.
Hold on, here we go. Just airdropping it to
Yeah.
the Mac.
This is gonna be so much fun. My hair is already getting frizzy. It's so hot. That was a good line. I got.
All right,
Okay.
are we selecting a prompt from here?
Yes. So one thing that was incredible. Let's go on big screen for this. All right. So this was something, and actually, Fuljens, I want you to give me your opinion, okay, on this. So there's a prompt that is about like you're asking the AI assistant to be the interviewer, and you're gonna be the interviewee, and you give them the questions that you will like them to ask you. And the conversation that I had with the chat GPT was it was incredible. It was asking a lot of great questions. It actually made me think a lot about my services and the way I explain them to my customers and the way I explain. I mean, it was incredible. So then I asked Fulgence, "Hey Fulgence, can you try this out and see what it works, how it works for you?" Tell us.
It was pretty cool because it was a job interview or an interview, and it was with ChatGPT, and it was interesting seeing the differences between the interview questions from ChatGPT and Jasper Chat. ChatGPT was very straightforward in terms of asking you standard interview questions, but it was also interesting too. I asked towards the end, "What was the salary?" And he was like, "Sorry, as an AI, I'm not able to answer that for you, but you can take it up with HR." And then I also asked, "Okay, so what are the next steps?" And then they gave me the next steps for the hiring process with HR, how they're going to contact me, and so on and so forth. So it was pretty interesting. However, with Jasper Chat asked me a few questions and then was like, and kind of like sympathize with me. He's like, "I can see, given your experience in video production, like this is such a great thing for you." I'm like, "Thank you." And I'm like, "Okay, so what are the next steps?" "What do you mean? What would you like the next steps to be?" I'm like, "Okay."
But then let me ask you a question in terms of emotion, right?
Yeah.
What emotion did it evoke in you while they were asking you those questions, those interview questions?
There was really no emotion. It's just like I just noticed that Jasper gave off a little bit of emotion there, or some type of
But
sympathy. Or
let me
empathy.
tell
Yeah.
you guys,
Empathy.
okay. So Fulgence, I was there right next to him. He really got an emotion, okay? He was there answering questions, and then it asks, based on your experience in non-for-profit, tell me what kind of videos have you created, blah, blah, blah. And then Fulgence is like, and I'm like, write it. And then, so that emotion, it gave you an emotion. It made you think. You had to stop, right? So that's what I'm asking for. Like, this question's the same thing happened to me. And so we are going to start with that, and give us on the comments, write down what position, like what is it that you would like. We're going to show you and you can see what we mean. So let's find the interviewer one.
Do you know where on the list this is?
We can do Command F and then find interviewer. Oh, it was right there.
I don't see it.
You passed it in.
Okay, there it is.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So let's go to screen share now and then show.
All right.
Okay.
Act as position interviewer. Right. And then we're going to modify this a little bit. So we're in ChatGPT. And so I want you to act as an interviewer. I will be the candidate and you will ask me the interview questions for the position.
And by the way, we just went straight into it. For those of you who are not familiar, ChatGPT is downloadable. It's free. It's not. You don't have to download it.
Yeah.
It's web based. You just go to openai.com and it will be right there. So we say try ChatGPT. You click on it. You have to sign up for it, and then you can go ahead and use it. It's free for now. So
Yeah.
And another tools that we're going to be using to compare this is going to be Jasper.
Chat.
The other one is going to be Canva, which we all use, and they have an AI assistant already in them. So it's going to be pretty good.
All right. So for the position, I want you to only reply as an interviewer. Do not write all the conversation at once. I want you to only do the interview with me. Ask the questions away from my answers. Do not write explanations. Ask me the questions one by one, like an interviewer does, and wait for my answers. My first sentence is hi. So I will be the So what we're gonna change here, right? For a candidate. So give me a keyword to change that to.
So yeah, let's see. Do we have anybody with suggestions? No. So we can say I will be. No, just say I am. A video producer. Okay, here we go. So I'm a video producer, and you will ask me the interview questions for the position. So I am a video producer, and you will ask me the interview about. Well, it's not an interview. Yeah, let's just leave it like that. Yeah, about the position. Let's do it because that's what you did yesterday. Okay.
Hi, thanks for taking the time to interview with us today. Could you tell us a little about your background in video production? There we go. So then we're going to give it something where it's like I have.
And you all feel free to share your share answers so that we can play along here, or give us prompts if you have any.
Right, something very simple, straight to the forward. And then let's see. Great. Could you give us an example of a video project you worked on for a nonprofit? How did you approach the project, and what was it? Hey, this is different from yesterday. This is a little different from yesterday because yesterday it was could you give us an example of a project that you worked on? But now it's like, how did you approach it, and what was the end result?
Yeah, and can you let us know if you can see the screen nicely on your end? We can make it just the screen so that you can see it bigger. Yes. What was this? Please write a YouTube script about OpenAI. So how about we tell them, right? And we say, thank you so much. I will be back, right, for this. Because so that it can save our information. I don't know if it's like that, right? But it does save the prompts you send them to the left. It saves all of them, which is pretty great.
Let's see what it does, because does it take that as an answer? Let's see how smart you are, ChatGPT. He's thinking.
He's like, well, that was not what I was asking for.
I guess you don't want the position then.
Wow. Okay, so type again. Are you there?
No, there's no option to continue.
Yeah, there is. There you go. Are you there?
Where's the little arrow?
And then question mark. I don't know. Click enter.
Yeah, it's not there.
Oh.
He left.
Okay, this is what they do. Like, people have been testing it to them. That's great. You see, it's human. It will be like, what do you mean? We were just having an interview. Where are you going?
Right. And then also too, what ChatGPT does, it will suggest a title for your conversation. So right now it's titled as video production interview.
Okay, so let's get out and then let's say, let's give them a prompt with, I can't, yeah.
Please write a YouTube script about OpenAI.
Right,
let's try this. For real.
Please.
So we're doing this, right?
Try a YouTube script about OpenAI. What specific though? Like, we should be a little bit more specific. Please write a YouTube script about OpenAI and how it will benefit creators. Question mark. Oh, okay. Something around place. Try to learn the conversation. Okay.
You broke it.
So you know what? Let's go now. Let's give him a chance.
I'm gonna refresh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should have copy and paste.
Yeah, they went away. So let's do it again. Please write a YouTube script about
explaining OpenAI.
about explaining OpenAI. Explaining OpenAI.
My audience is, what's your audience? My audience are
We don't got time for
in
that.
the ages of, the more specific you are, the better the answer
Yeah,
is
I'm
going
just
to give
typing
you.
it between the ages of 25 to 47, right?
Space. That's a great range.
Yeah. All right. Anything
Okay.
else?
That's it.
All right, cool. Let's see.
Yeah, question mark.
Let's see. So far, just giving a description of what OpenAI does.
Oh, it should have been okay. So that's fine. We can do it later. We can do.
Yeah, it's just giving like an entire thing. I mean,
Yeah.
which makes sense. It's like, oh, like a script about OpenAI. Like, I got this. It's like, I got this. And then now, since we say business owner, so now that those are the keywords. As a business owner, it's important to stay informed about the latest developments and blah, 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 blah.
This will be about like.
I wonder if it's going to, what
Okay.
happened? No like and subscribe?
Can you please make this shorter and address it to YouTube creators?
Hello, YouTube creators.
Hello, YouTube creators. In this video, I want to introduce you to OpenAI, a research organization dedicated to advancing the field of artificial intelligence. OpenAI has made significant contributions to the field, such as developing the first machine learning model that was able to beat a professional player at the game of Dota 2. It has also developed powerful language models like GPT-3, which has the ability to understand and generate human-like text. So as a YouTube creator, you might be interested in using AI-powered tools to improve your content or interact with your audience. OpenAI is a valuable resource for learning about the latest developments in AI and staying up to date with the latest research. What do you think about that, YouTube creators? Have you used OpenAI? That's pretty cool, but I will, yeah. So from there you elaborate. So let's ask the same question to Jasper. So let's do this to Jasper. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at who it is. I was like open marketing, but now I just saw his face.
Yeah,
We
Jim.
met Jim. We
Yeah.
met him at, we
Yeah.
met you at POV.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jim is team BuildingBlocks.
Right? I was like, hey, I just saw your profile picture.
Favorite tech, 45 degrees in Arizona. It's cold. I will take that 45 over minus.
What, 30? We're 30. We're in 30 over here.
All right, so we're going to ask Jasper
The same
same
question.
thing, but we're also going to change it to my audience are YouTube creators,
Okay.
right? YouTube content creators. And let's see.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. Wait, should we make this bigger?
People let us know if it's
Yeah,
not big
let us
enough.
know if it's not big enough for you.
It's not big for you.
I'm just thinking about you guys because I just see it.
Wow, it was so much quicker. It just spilled it out
So read
right
it.
away. Hi everyone. Today I'd like to talk to you about OpenAI. OpenAI is a nonprofit research lab dedicated to creating artificial intelligence that can be used for the betterment of humanity. The team at OpenAI, yada yada,
But I
OpenAI.
read the whole thing.
But it's just like the basics, right? The team at OpenAI researches many areas of artificial intelligence, such as machine learning, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning. They bring together experts from different fields, such as computer science, philosophy, robotics, and economics in order to advance the science of AI. OpenAI is striving. I'm waiting to get to like the end part. That's where it really customizes stuff, right? OpenAI is striving to make sure that AI is developed responsibly and ethically, so you can be. If you're a content creator between the ages of 25 to 47, looking for ways to create more engaging content with machine learning tools, then you may want to check out what OpenAI offers. Thanks for watching. Versus
with a long response.
Yeah, and it went into detail about GPT-3 and all that good stuff.
So let's ask ChatGPT. Can you make it shorter and add some humor to it? Okay.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness.
Broke it again.
Okay, no.
No,
It's
no.
there. It's thinking. It's thinking. We're gonna ask the same. Okay, what it thinks. Let's see. Looks fine and clear viewing on my TV.
Yep.
Oh yeah, we're on TV. Okay, here we go. Here
All
we
right.
go. Okay. Oh, this is
And
good.
then hold on a second. While it's doing that, we'll do the same thing. Are you gonna let me copy or not?
Don't interrupt him.
He's good. Copy.
I
So
wonder.
while it's doing that, we'll just do that. We'll ask the question to Jasper Chat.
People are naming. Okay. Hey, YouTube creators, feeling overwhelmed by all the AI talk out there? Trust me, I understand. Let me introduce you to OpenAI, a research organization that's here to make sense of it all. Not only is OpenAI responsible for some serious, impressive feats in the AI world, like creating the first machine learning model to beat a professional player at Data 2, but it also cares about using AI for the greater good. As a YouTube creator, you might be wondering how you can incorporate AI into your content. Well, OpenAI has got you covered with its language models like GP3, which can understand and generate human-like text. Imagine all the witty banter you could have with your viewers through a chatbot. So don't worry about feeling left in the dust by the AI revolution. With OpenAI in your corner, you will be the one leading the charge. Thanks for watching.
Let's hear Jasper.
Okay.
Hi everyone. Today I want to share with you something that's sure to make your content stand out. OpenAI is a research lab dedicated to creating artificial intelligence that can bring humanity into the future. They specialize in machine learning, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning, which is a lot of long words for robotic genius. But why should you care? OpenAI makes sure AI is developed responsibly and ethically so people around the world can use it safely. Plus, they offer training courses to help developers put their technology into action. And hey, if you're between the ages of 25 and 47 and looking for something new, why not give OpenAI a shot? It could just be what your content needs to go from good to great. Thanks for watching. Notice how this one mentions the age range. And they like to spell out artificial intelligence in here. Yeah. Two different responses.
So it will be great to just go across the board, right? Testing the different input that you get, and then that will be even more creative. So let's try Canva.
Oh, before that, I wanted to see if they can, you see how it's writing a YouTube script. What if we asked, can you write a rap about OpenAI?
You did that yesterday.
Not about OpenAI. It was about rap about live streaming on YouTube.
A
So
prompt.
let's see what it does if it writes a rap for OpenAI and what that would sound like.
Do you want to use the prompt we used last night, or you just want to ask?
Yeah, there's oh my gosh, I'm jumping all over the place. There was a rap prompt here.
So search Command F for rap.
Rap. You know what? I'm just gonna ask it. Yep.
Okay.
Please write a rap about OpenAI.
So how about using that information that instead of starting a whole new one, so that he can, because he already has information about OpenAI.
No, he doesn't have it on this account. Like the rap.
No. We've been asking him things on the chat, so he keeps that information and uses that information to generate more.
Right, but now let's see how he can convert that into lyrics. First one.
Okay, well, go for it, Fuljens, because okay, I can't.
Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm spitting fire like an artificial neural network. My rhymes so advanced, they're powered by open. That does not rhyme. That does not rhyme, ChatGPT. I'm on the cutting edge. No machine can match my flow. I'm bringing AI to the mic. It's time for a show. Chorus, open AI, leading the change in the AI revolution. Open AI, the future is here. It's time for a solution. Oh, okay. I'm making moves like a self-driving car. Tesla, my talent's automating like a robot bard. I'm breaking boundaries, pushing the limits of what's possible. With open AI by my side, I'm unstoppable. Open AI. Verse 3. I'm on a mission to bring AI to the masses. My rhyme's so potent, they'll put any rapper in their place. That does not rhyme. No. I'm at the forefront of the AI wave. With open AI, I'm making moves that are truly brave. Hold on. Now I'm going to say, can you make these lyrics rhyme?
But give him a prop. Say, hey, this is great, so that he knows that he's on the right track, right?
So ChatGPT needs encouragement?
Yeah. Because the information that he has in there is like, what does great means? Great means you're doing a good job. Great means they like it. Great means blah, blah, blah.
An error occurred. Let's refresh.
Okay. So can you write a rap about using Ecamm?
That'll be interesting.
And I've been reading about some people who had some knowledge about gaming, but and then like a little bit of knowledge about Python and languages like that, and they have been able to write games with ChatGPT. It's just, I mean, this game, it's just incredible. This is an incredible tool for those who have some plans, but they didn't have they needed the next step to make it a little bit, to make it more affordable. And at the same time, it's like a dream come true, honestly. That you can create a game, you had a storyline in your head, and then you're like, okay, ChatGPT, can you write this game for me, the code for this game for me? And then it can write it. That is
Holy
just...
snap.
Huh?
So can you write a rap about using Ecamm Live? You can go to ecamm.com for a reference. Make sure that the rap lyrics rhyme.
Okay,
So
see, you gave him some great information. Okay, let's see.
Oh my gosh.
And then oh my gosh.
He's still spitting.
We have to show what Canva does. How will you all use this now? Because I know one of the viewers mentioned that they just tried it. She just tried it 15 minutes ago. How do you see yourself using this tool for your content creation? And what kind of content are you going to create? I don't know, like if it opens your mind to something else.
Let's see.
Okay, let's time to wrap.
I'm streaming live on Ecamm. It's a breeze. The app's got everything I need. From screen sharing to webcam, I can even add my own custom theme. Ecamm Live is the way to go. For all my streaming needs, it's a pro. Whether I'm doing a podcast or a show, Ecamm Live is the best you don't know. I can invite guests. They can join in. Or I can go solo. It's all the same. The interface is clean and easy to use. My viewers are loving the things I produce. I can record and edit, no problem. Or go live on YouTube or Facebook. It's awesome. I can even add overlays and graphics. Ecamm Live is the best. It's a classic.
Oh!
Let's see. So we tried this with Jasper Chat also, and Jasper was okay, because yesterday he was like, I would suggest that you do this, but not actually give the lyrics. So let's see.
He was tired last night. It was late.
The world is changing fast, and the internet's our new class. Came across Ecamm Live that helps us show our face. That don't rhyme. For pros, for novices, streaming live with ease. It's on the go or at home. Get your life in HD. Ecamm Live for all the streamers out there. So easy to use, it makes you look like a star. No special gear needed to get up and running. So streaming live will never be dull drumming. Streaming with Ecamm so easy you don't need a degree. Switch between apps, split screens, make it look like three. Invite your friends and join in and have some fun. With Ecamm Live, you can make sure everyone gets in the sun.
I don't
ChatGPT
know.
got that one.
ChatGPT got it.
ChatGPT got that.
You save that because it spits something different like each time. So just copy and paste that, and that is great. Now we just need a rapper to make this to just like rhyme, just do the whole thing for Ecamm.
I know, right? So yeah.
Hello, Dan.
What's up, Dan? Good to see you here. So now with Jasper, it's not so much. I mean, with Canva, it's not so much a chat. It's going to be more.
We don't know.
Okay.
We don't know. But then again, let's before we move, go back to that. Go back to the wrapping prompt that we just did.
This one.
And then write let's different voices. So let's make it humorous, or let's make it sarcastic, or make it short. Give me 2 verses or something, like they can make it shorter.
So first, should I give an encouragement again? This is great.
Yes, exactly. You need to give it right, you guys.
This is great. What was it?
Oh my gosh, you are awesome.
What was it?
Can you
Can you make the lyrics a little bit more humorous?
Humorous, yeah. Can you add some humor to the lyrics? And just 2 verses, maybe. Like make it short, or you want the whole 3?
Yeah. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Can
Question
you add
mark.
some humor to the lyrics? Let's do this.
Oh no. Okay. The next input after he spits it, say add Ken and Glenn to it, and see what happens. No, I'm like, and then we're gonna, because Jasper is. It seems like Jasper's style is a little bit more proper.
Yeah.
Right? It's a little bit more proper the way he writes. Okay, let's see what's happening in the comments. Okay.
Tatiana had to run. Michael Heal, what's up?
Michael!
Afia
Hello.
Podcast greetings and Happy New Year to you all.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, Dr. Wood, we're about to lay down the tracks.
David. Hey, David.
I sometimes use a company called Mike Monster or we know about Synthesia.
Yep.
Synthesia is pretty interesting, which creates a virtual voice over AI presenter. Can you imagine if these? Yeah.
Right,
Yeah. Because I
right?
thought Synthesia was AI, but it's not AI. But if you pair it up with something like this, that'd be awesome. If you want to
Oh my God.
no AI in the world.
Hey, Dan, I thought it was your mother-in-law. I thought it was your mother-in-law.
What happened?
What's going on?
Dan? All right. So
Okay.
let's see. All right. So this is sure. Here are some revised lyrics with a bit of humor. I'm streaming live on Ecamm. It's a snap. The app's got everything I need. It's a wrap. From screen sharing to webcam, I can even add my own custom theme like a cat. Maestro. Ecamm Live is the way to go for all my streaming needs. It's a pro. Whether I'm doing a podcast or a show, Ecamm Live is the best. You don't know. I like that chorus.
Yeah.
I can invite guests that can join in, or I can go solo. It's all the same. The interface is clean, easy to use. My viewers are loving the things I produce. It's no abuse. I can record and edit no problem, or go live on YouTube or Facebook. It's a bomb. Boom. I can even add overlays and graphics. Ecamm Live, it's the best. It's a classic. It's a tonic.
Hey.
Why do you have to add the tonic? It doesn't rhyme with anything. It doesn't rhyme.
You gotta make it humorous. Probably that was the humor part of it. Oh my gosh. Okay.
So now can you add Ken and Glenn into the lyrics? Incorporate.
Who are the developers of Ecamm Live?
Let's see if we don't break it.
I guess it's the same prompt, so it shouldn't break. I guess it's when information is switched quickly, maybe?
I don't know.
Okay,
It looks
while
like
he's thinking, let's see what's going on here.
you're getting a War Games vibe. Yeah, I think we broke it. That was it.
No, he's
Yeah.
still thinking. Okay, while he thinks, let's go to Jasper and ask him the same thing. And then actually let's ask Canva, because Canva is also you're creating your content in Canva, you're creating all your things. So let's go ahead. All right, so let's see what we can ask. So we got to click on the plus sign here and go to Magic Write. And then we're going to write, hi, I don't know who what your name is. Hi, can you, hi, want to write a funny rap
Rap.
about the best live streaming software for Mac.
And it was just so awesome how I said you could reference eCam.com. Mm-hmm. I wonder if we didn't reference eCam.com, and what would have happened. Next time we'll try something like that.
Okay, so now we do return. Let's see what's up.
Let's hear Canva rap.
Yo, check it out. Oh, shoot, go for it, Fuljens Henry.
Oh my gosh. Yo, check it out. Ken and Glenn, no doubt. They make the best streaming software for Mac. The world's laughing out loud.
That's not
funny.
there.
That's not funny, Canva. That's not funny. It's simple and easy to use. No need for degree. Just turn on your mic and press record and you're live on the TV. The sound is crystal clear with no lagging or stutter. The interface interactive, you can't miss a flutter. Ken and Glenn software, they made it to last. So grab your headset and get streaming. It's time to put on the blast.
Oh, all right. So the thing with this is, so let's see if it's interactive, right? So now taking this information, can they add something to it? So here's the magic thing. So add magic, right? Add magic. So let's say, let's go. This is great.
Encouragement.
But can you take out the world is laughing line and use ecam.com as a reference to replace that? Okay, so I'm gonna copy just in case that's not the right place to do this in. Enter. Yeah, that's not. Okay, let's go back and then let's do Magic Write and then we do using the content above. Let's see what happens. Okay, so
I'm happy to change that for you. I removed the world is laughing line, replace it with a reference to ecam.com. I hope this meets your needs. Let me know if there's anything else I can do to help. Thank you. So,
where did it do it? Where is it? Right. So for Canva, it can give you content. Oh, wait, where is it? Hi, I want to. Oh, no, that was me.
Yeah, I'm going to copy and paste this and see if one of the others can top this.
So for Canva, right? You give them you give the Magic Write the prompts and it gives you information, so you will have to go in there and tweak it even further because it's not a back and forth. It's not interactive like that unless we don't know yet and they're looking into, I don't know, right?
All right. So let's see if Jasper chat can redeem itself. Sick of all the problems with streaming and a Mac? No need to worry. Just get yourself eCam. Blah, 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 blah. It's user-friendly and compatible galore. Kevin Glenn developed it, so let's raise the floor. eCam Live for all the streamers out there. So easy to use and makes you look like a star. No special gear needed, just Ken and Glenn's tech. They make sure streaming is never a wreck. The clever duo's always cooking up something new, true, to keep your footage looking fine and sharp, it's true. They'll help you set your projects in no time flat. And when you're done, give them a bow and a big pat. What?
I don't know. Okay, let's see.
Wait. eCam Live for all the streamers out there. So easy to use. It makes you look like a star. No special gear needed. Just Ken and Glenn's tech. Stay laughing at home or on the go. Ain't that neat?
Oh my gosh. Okay. Jasper, that was a bit too dry. I like a bit of humor. And a and a bit shorter. Okay, let's add 2 more characters to the wrap. Katie.
But last name also, just in case.
With last name? Why?
Oh, okay, so it's going to take the last name.
Yeah, Katie, who is the marketing director, and Doc, who is the community manager for eCam Live. Yes? Let's see. All right, let's see what happens.
While it's doing that, we will go to the star of the show here, ChatGPT. And
Right? Because what it is even though they're based on the same engine, right? They're both a Chat GPT-3. It seems like the prompts that they have or the information that the developers are giving them is a little bit lighter. And on top of that, it is open source. So they're learning a lot from all of us who are doing all of this right now. So it might be.
We had a Q colon from Paul.
Okay.
Did you have to do something special before you asked it to write a rap? I typed the same question you did, and I didn't get verses and choruses. That's but you know what? And then Paul, was it on Jasper or on Chat GPT? Because yesterday I asked Jasper to write a rap, and it wasn't cooperating. It was like it was just giving a suggestion on how to write the rap. Versus Chat GPT, that's what we did. We just asked it to write it, and it's doing its thing.
Yeah, and there's also we're gonna add that link of prompts to the Fuljens if you can add it. Because, hi Martin, because that gets a little bit more specific on what you want to do. And it does, just like the interview prompt that we entered, it will narrow down and just keep them with information that it needs to do that you're looking for. But okay, so let's see. So Don Davis, hi Don.
Anna asked how we use AI. I use Jasper for writing outlines primarily. I then have been filling in the details and use Surfer to make sure SEO is included.
Nice. Okay. See, I'm telling you, this is great. This is great. Schools, by the way, there's a rumor out there all over the internet that schools are actually blocking ChatGPT.
And the New York City Department of Education.
Yeah, they're actually blocking that.
Blocking
I can see.
Yeah.
But when we do grammar checks, when we do spell checks and things like that, that is AI generated, no?
Grammarly will take care of that.
So they don't block that, but I can also see why they would do it, right? Because some kids would just be like, hey, here's this. Yeah, I mean, it's good. There's good and there's evil in it. Okay, so let's see
how it revised this for us. Sick of all the problems streaming and a Mac. No need to worry. Just get... So... It's user-friendly and compatible. Okay, so we heard that already, Jasper.
Right.
eCam Live for all the streamers out there. So easy to use. It makes you look like a star. No special gear needed. Just Ken and Glenn's tech. Katie and Doc keep it running smooth. Ain't that neat?
What in the world? Listen.
All right,
Jasper. Okay, wait. Jasper, wait.
No, let's see what ChatGPT has.
Let me see something. Jasper, thank you. Please give me an outline, going for Dawn, right? An outline of this rap. Let's see what you got for us, Jasper.
Let's see what ChatGPT had for us here.
Oh, you did the same prompt?
Yeah, about Ken and Glenn. Ken and Glenn, the dynamic duo, developing the best live stream software that's true. For Mac users, they put that's true. They both have that in there. For Mac users, they got you covered. No more lag, no more buffering. You'll be undiscovered. Wait, what?
I like the first rap. Is this the one that you said?
This is the one that you wrote in Canva. So I transferred it over to.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah. Live stream like a pro with Ken and Glenn's app. No need to worry. It's super top notch. Compatible with Mac. It's the way to go. Thanks to Ken and Glenn, your stream will flow. Flow. Keyword, the flow. Easy to use with a user-friendly interface. Ken and Glenn have thought of every single trace of what a streamer needs. They've got it all. From chat to donation alerts, they've got it installed.
What in the world? Okay, you know what? Wait a second. I can do this. Nice. Can you make it shorter and add 2 more characters. Katie. She keeps Ecam Live together. And Doc, who, what would we say about Doc? He keeps the community.
He knows everything.
Okay. He knows everything. Period? Okay.
Yeah, this article was posted yesterday in BuzzFeed about a student who developed a program that shows if someone used AI.
Okay, yes, I foresee a lot of those programs happening, and supposedly Google also started building one, but it wasn't accurate in detecting what is AI generated or not. So now it's not trusted. They're gonna continue to build these. So we're gonna see a lot of other things happening, and it's going to be interesting. I also have a website, everyone, that we're gonna share in a minute, that you can ask chat also right on the website. That was a surprise for you that I told you that I was gonna say. I was surprised by you, Fuljens. Okay, so let's do this.
Ken and Glenn, the dream team with Katie and Doc. Their app is a dream. We said dream already. Live streaming software, top of the line, no lag, no glitches, all the time. Live streaming like a pro with Ken and Glenn's app. Katie keeps it all together, never a flap. And when you need help, Doc knows it all. Thanks to this quartet, your stream won't stall.
Oh,
Easy to use with a user-friendly interface. Ken and Glenn, Katie and Doc, they got it in place. All the streamer needs, they've got it covered. Thanks to these 4, your stream will be discovered. Live stream like a pro with Ken and Glenn's app. Katie keeps it all together, never a flap. And when you need help, Doc knows it all. Thanks to this quartet, your stream won't stall. All right, chat. You got that was pretty. That flowed pretty well.
You know how Doc is like he raps? He probably will be doing an Ecam rap. I mean, like Ecam rap. Yes,
that was pretty good.
Right, Doc Rat, OC and unknowing. So we saw how Canva, we can use Canva. It does have a writing assistant in there, so we can use that for our purposes. So we can say, for example, the first command that we entered from who was it? Was it one of our viewers who said, "Hey, give me a video script for explaining OpenAI." Mm-hmm. I'm pretty sure Canva will give that information. Right? When it comes to interacting, that might be different as we saw.
Let's try this. So I'm just copying and pasting.
Mm-hmm.
And then...
So I might have to delete all of that or create a new. Right? Thank you, Dr. Zeus. Do you know that that's what they use? They use Dr. Zeus, I believe it was green eggs and ham. And they said, is this AI generated? And... this was the one that Google started testing, and it said, yes, 100% AI generated. So who's real, right? Like, because who knows? Because this technology is available to us now, but it's been available way back when. So who knows if Dr. Seuss had an AI system back then? Who knows? But
YouTube, right? It was YouTube content creators.
Mm-hmm. You doom?
Typing on Friday mornings.
Yes, Canva is playing with AI in beta. Yes, yeah. So it's all these tools are going to just be incredible by the end of the year, right? The image. Oh Jesus. Okay. Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain OpenAI, a non-profit artificial intelligence research company. OpenAI is focused on delivering and enacting the path to safe artificial general intelligence, AGI. AGI is the development of machines that can learn any intellectual task that a human being can. OpenAI's mission is to ensure that AGI technology benefits all humanity. That was taken from their website. Yeah, so as you can see with Canva, you can actually create descriptions, add your own voice, because if this was me reading, I would add different words than this.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So, mm-hmm. And it all goes back to, there was a comment from earlier. Yeah, from Jim actually, right? So if I use it for if for research, but I'm not going to do it without editing and adding my own voice to it. Great for sparking ideas, for
Yes.
sure,
Yes, Jim, that's
for
it.
sure,
That's
right?
it.
Because for example, here, like it's awesome to just get ideas from creating an eCam wrap, right? But then we know how to customize that based on our experiences with eCam and who we know in the community, so we can add the characters as you call them in there and
Yeah.
whatever, like features and all those things like that, right? So
Yeah.
it will be way different than what is pulling from just the basics from ecam.com and whatnot. Yeah.
So let's go to this comment from Troublemaker. He writes,
One of the problems I see is we will all be doing the same content because ChatGPT is writing all of our scripts. Microsoft is partnering with OpenAI, so Bing may become a search engine.
yes, yes. And the thing is, though, like that is such a valid point. However, the way we ask the questions, for example, Paul asked for a rep. It didn't give it to him, right? So who knows, right? And then the first thing that Paul asked was like, what do you enter to get that information? So a lot of creators are going to come up with their own recipes, right? You're going to come up with your own prompts that is going to generate different responses based on what it is that you're writing about. And if you do see that something's looking similar, that means that your prompts or your questions need to be refined, redefined until you see it that it's your voice and it's is the same topic, right? But it's in your voice because of the prompts that you're entering. So it will be very interesting to see how this goes, and if we see similar contents like looking the same, because we're all in the same community, so we will see it.
It'd be like if it's not customized and we add our own voice to it, it'd be interesting. It's like one day we'll start to notice like, that looks like something that they use Jasper to write that.
Right.
And sometimes you can tell. If you
Yes.
don't tweak
Yeah.
it and you just paste it as is,
Yeah.
you can tell. Like there's some language that I realize like Jasper uses often, right?
So let's go.
Martin feels excluded from the script because he says I'm over 47
Oh,
years.
snap. We can edit that very quickly, Martin. We can edit that very quickly. Okay, Dan, you and I'm telling you. Okay, so let's look at the search engine that I talked about that has the chat feature in it. So I copied it. So just do command and paste and see. Yes. Okay. So it is called you.com. And if you see at the bottom, it says introducing you chat, talk to it here. So you can actually ask the same questions that we were asking before, and it can generate questions for you based on that search engine that is there, that I believe is like tech Troublemaker you mentioned. I believe is powered by Microsoft, Bing. So let's ask what should we ask you guys? Give us a prompt. Give us a topic to ask you, chat.
Wait, no, it's saying, okay, I see, yeah. But it does not use Microsoft Bing Web News, blah, 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 in any manner, their APIs in any manner. Interesting. Very interesting.
So let's go ask me anything. Let's go for it. So what should we ask? What should we ask about? What do you actually? So it has information all the way to 2021, I believe that's what it is. So it learned up to 2021. So any events that are past that, it won't have that information. But it might just take and give you some information, but it's not going to be accurate, which is a disclaimer that they have right there. So let's ask for a poem or something that we would do. What is something that us as creators would do that we wanna okay. I am this is what I did. Okay, this is what I did. Because I was testing it this morning and I entered, okay. Okay, so I wrote, what are the best AI writing assistant, and please provide pricing ascending from highest to lowest. So can I copy this? Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, so the best AI writing assistants are Grammarly, Pro Writing Aid, After the Deadline, AutoCrit, and I haven't heard of that. I just only heard of Grammarly. Grammarly is the most expensive option at $29.95 a month, followed by Pro Writing, etc., etc. Okay, so now I'm going to say, where does Jasper and Chat GPT rank amongst these?
Wait, that was a typo.
Oh, well, they got it. Jasper and ChatGPT are not included in the list of AI writing assistant that was provided. However, they are both highly regarded AI writing assistant and can be used to assist in writing tasks. They are both subscription-based services, with Jasper costing $9.90 and ChatGPT costing $14.90. Okay, so I'm gonna
Really?
say, I don't know. Well, that's probably what's gonna be after. Great, thank you. Can you please
I'm like,
add these
no, it's
in
not asking.
a
Where'd you get this information from?
table format? And the thing that I like about it is that sometimes it provides where it got the information from.
Fancy.
Right?
Very fancy.
So we can have a lot of, like, this is such a great tool. We're like, okay, we're doing our research and we're just asking. It's just like any research that we would do about any content currently, but now we get the information faster because of this. So I enjoy this a lot. And there's going to be, like, look, they have the images, videos, news, everything.
Let's try.
Okay,
Let's try Roy's 10 topics for YouTube Shorts to help content creators.
Okay.
Let's try that. Please write a list of 10 topics.
Tupac.
Get this mic up. Here we go. 10 topics for these things be easy for them.
Right? It's just like, and then this so quickly.
Tutorials, how-to videos, DIY tutorials, or walkthroughs. That's number 1. 2, educational content, exploring topics in a fun and engaging way. 3, comedy sketches, creating humorous content. 4, unboxing videos showing off the latest products. 5, product reviews, evaluating products and services. 6, vlogs showing personal stories and experiences. 7, music videos, presenting original music or covers. Challenges, creating entertaining and creative challenges. Q&A videos, answering questions from viewers. Collaborations, working with other content creators. And this is something I would like to ask all of them and see how they differ in terms of what they're providing and the language and like what kind of keywords they're using.
Let me do something real quick and see how it chats, and then you can do that. It said, okay, thank you. Okay, I asked, thank you for these. I like number 3. Can you create an outline for it? All right, so number 3 is comedy sketches, creating humorous content. Brainstorm ideas for a comedic sketch, taking into account the time limit and other restrictions. Develop concept. Shoot the sketch. Okay, right? So that's a nice outline, and then on top of that, you can develop that even further. So then, if you say, writing the script, so how about helping me write the script as per your suggestion on number 3. I forgot the question mark. Oops, I'm still learning and I couldn't generate the answer right now. Please try again. Let's ask it differently. How can we ask this question differently? Can you, okay, I'll copy number 3.
No, be more specific. Can you help write a script on creating a comedic sketch on YouTube Shorts?
But I'm looking for three. Write the script.
Oh,
Right.
this one? This number 3 now? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Write the script. Write the script for the sketch and make any changes as needed.
Can you help write the script for the sketch?
Sketch. And what is the sketch going to be about? About.
But now you're changing it though, right? Because isn't it? Can you help write the sketch?
Oh, I said
Because-
script.
No. Yeah, everything.
What? Let's do it. Unfortunately, I'm not able to write a script for you. However, I can provide you with some tips and advice. Okay, here we go. That's great. First, brainstorm some idea. Okay, here we go. So it's just helping.
Yeah, suggestions.
Yeah, suggestion. But that's that. We don't know
Yeah.
what the other two assistants are going to
Right.
say.
So let's say are we able to copy this? No. All right. So please write a list of 10 topics for YouTube Shorts to help content
Well, let me see.
creators.
Paul has been so quiet, but I bet you he's like doing prompts. So Paul, what are you doing? What have you gotten? Have any of you have been testing it out with us and entering prompts? Let us know, because sometimes it creates some funny responses based on what we're asking. So if we have gotten some interesting responses, feel free to write it. If it's clean, I got Fuljens chat GPT in trouble last
Yeah,
night.
you got me flagged.
I asked a word that wasn't appropriate and it just flagged him. It was like, this is not okay to ask for this types of question here.
Flagged. That was
And
not-
it just flagged him. It
to
wouldn't
help
give him any
content
more.
creators. All right. And then copy and paste. Just copy this. Because we're going to ask Jasper the same thing.
And with that, that's great. We have given you examples on ChatGPT, and in our opinion, ChatGPT has been a little bit more open-minded, I guess, free spirit in a way, and funnier than Jasper has. We saw Canva. It will give us information, but it is limited. Is as of now is not interactive where you can go back and forth as a chat like we have been doing with Jasper and ChatGPT. And also you.com that has the chat feature there is very similar to both Jasper and
Yeah.
and ChatGPT.
When it comes to YouTube and content creation stuff, I usually think that Jasper writes better content, in my opinion. So for example, this one, where was it? Tutorials, educational content, sketches, unboxing. This was pretty cool, right? Because it actually gave a little bit of stuff. ChatGPT, how to make a successful YouTube channel from scratch, 10 creative ideas for your next blog, 5 quick and easy social media marketing tips. That was the top. The best equipment for beginners at a budget, right? You know, things that we've kind of heard before. So let's see what Jasper wrote, right? DIY home projects, recipes for beginner cooks, creative gardening ideas, crafting tutorials, you know, so it just went into like a variety
Right, but
of
the thing is that you can go
variety of
back,
things.
you can go back and continue this, because that's what makes it chat, right? So you're brainstorming. So if you go back to ChatGPT, and then you can say, these are great. Can you give me some out of the box ideas or something like that to make it like right now we're just brainstorming. But listen, oh my gosh, this went fast. It's already 11:08. And who say I'm going? Yeah, I'm going to virtual jail. I'm going to virtual jail.
Yeah, but it was under my account, so
Yeah, so Fuljens going to jail, Rich, and you know all about that, right?
the virtual jail.
Okay, so Paul wrote a rap about Mr. Moderator. Paul, if you can share, we can close with that. Fuljens can rap it for you.
Here are some unique ideas for YouTube Shorts: how to turn your passion into a profitable YouTube channel, a day in the life of a full-time YouTuber, the benefits of vlogging, how to get started, 10 creative ways to use animation in YouTube videos, how to create engaging video content on a tight budget, the ultimate guide to creating and editing videos with free software, 5 tips for building a loyal community on YouTube, the top 10 most underutilized features on YouTube, how to create viral video content that actually adds value, the top 10 mistakes new YouTubers make and how to avoid.
I've heard all of that.
And these sound like the titles that when we go to like a conference, these are like conference titles. It sounds like an
heard
entire
all of
conference.
that.
Yeah. And
Oh, okay.
and with Jasper, maybe it was like, this is great, but can you be a little bit more specific, or how would we ask Jasper to rephrase
For
this?
those,
Mm-hmm.
for those, Jasper, can you? So for me, it would be like, can you make it more? Can you give me a list of more entertaining topics? Here's the rapper. And we can even add we can get even more common sketches, debate topics, music video ideas, gaming challenges, dance tutorials, pop culture trivia.
Yeah, so it's just giving you stuff in the realm of entertainment. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and you can go. So here's Paul's rap. Let's see. This is so Paul just sent us a rap that he asked. Was it ChatGPT, Paul? And this is what they. Is ChatGPT a female for you or a male? It doesn't have. It's genderless.
It's genderless.
It's genderless to you?
genderless.
Okay, I keep calling him he, but
Yeah.
other people call it she, and they
It's
name.
genderless. Mr. Moderator, the moderator, keeping things in line. He's the boss, the chief, the one who makes things shine. He keeps the peace, he keeps the order, he keeps it all in check. He's the one who makes sure the party don't wreck. He's the voice of reason, the guiding light. He keeps the conversation flowing, everything just right. He's the man in charge, the king of the chat. He's Mr. Moderator, and that's where it's at.
Hey!
So if you need to keep things running smooth, Mr. Moderator is the one you should choose. He's the best in the biz. No need to test. He's Mr. Moderator, and he's the best.
Hey! I love it.
That sounds like a Chat GPT thing, yes, and it was Chat GPT.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, that's awesome. So here, just have you guys have fun. These tools are it's one more tool in our tool belt, right? One more thing to
And that's awesome
help
that
us,
it's currently free.
right? To
use.
help us create our content even quicker. Our if when we're posting, we're scheduling posts, we can create things even quicker for that. And even with all of the content that we're adding and all the questions that we're adding, we could even add to it, give us a title for this topic or give us a headline for this, and then tweak it from there. As you saw, the more like you go interactive, yes, I like this, but can you change this word? Yes, I like this. So you're giving an input based on your creativity and based on what you would like to see.
Right.
So this is yeah, I think it's great. I think it's a great addition to us, all of us creators, all of us writers. And yeah, so looking forward to seeing what you come up with, what your creativity, where your creativity takes you now with this new tool. And yeah, we will be seeing you all throughout the community this entire year. So we will see how the content develops and things like that. So that's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. Great to see. And then keep checking in here, building blocks, because we're gonna continue to test it and see how it develops. And we will have challenges. We have challenges coming up where you will be able to use it even further and get you started with developing your own prompts, developing your own recipes for specific content that you're looking for. And I foresee people selling prompts. Honestly, I foresee people selling prompts.
Yeah. Give me a broken sentence.
Oh, Jesus, Lord. I use broken sentences all the time. You can pick anyone. Yeah.
But this is pretty cool because sometimes we our writing is pretty tight and Grammarly has nothing to say, but something that's common sense, right? So let's say if we say I'm going to go to the store for some ice cream, right? I'm going to the store to get some ice cream, right? But let's say we don't speak well and we say I'm going to the store to get a little bit of ice cream, right? I am going,
a little bit of ice cream.
Exactly, right? Just because I don't have a better example right now. I'm going to the store to get a little bit of ice cream.
I believe Jasper has Grammarly integrated in it.
Yeah, or something similar. And I've seen it before because what it's going to do is going to underline the text. Oh, it doesn't have suggestions. It had it earlier. This is not correct.
Why is it not correct? I'm going to the store to get a little bit of ice cream.
No, because it should. There it is. Because I forgot the period at the end. Right. So there's a suggestion here. Change the wording. The phrase "a little bit of" may be wordy. Consider changing the wording and changing it to some. Except I'm going to the store to get some ice cream. Things like that. It's helpful when you have like I use Grammarly inside of Hootsuite. That's where I use it the most.
Okay.
When I have my social media posts and things in that nature. But when you have once those things become routine, it doesn't have suggestions because sometimes you post the same thing on a schedule.
Does Hootsuite have an AI writing assistant?
Hootsuite has Grammarly embedded.
So it doesn't have an assistant. Like
I haven't seen one. Yeah,
Okay.
or like a chat. Hootsuite. No,
or,
I haven't seen that.
Or just like Canva that you can.
I'm going to have to explore that. I haven't seen that. I haven't seen that, or I haven't been paying attention to it. Yeah.
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 Yeah. Paul says he's been using Grammarly for years. I'm telling you, this is great because before, it's still now, I write my information in Spanish. And then after I read it in Spanish and it makes sense and it gets all my emotions and everything that I need to write, then I translate it into English. And then I'm like, okay, so now if I write it in English, I can just send it and have it check it for me and see how it does. So I'm going to start doing that and see what happens instead of me having to double it by writing it in Spanish first and then writing it in English. And then it just changes the punctuation and like you just said, like it eliminates it makes the content more concise.
Especially if your text is wordy, it will definitely simplify for you. That's what I like about something like Grammarly. And as you said, Jasper has one built in as well.
Yeah, before when I will write it in English, I write it in English and I'm like, okay, this is good. And then I'll give it to my children. I'm like, hey, can you check this for me? Sometimes they'll be like, Mom, this is amazing. Other times they'll be like, where's the period here? Where's the comma here? Then needs to be here. I'm like, So then I hired a writer, a copywriter, which I will just send the content. I will be like, okay, I write it in English. This is what I want to say. Please just fix it for me. And all that great stuff. Now I'm going to see if I can try that. And with Jasper or ChatGPT, be like, okay, this is what I have.
It's a helpful tool. It's a helpful tool for that. You know,
I see it. I see it do.
It's different, right? It's not whereas you're saying, "Hey, give me this." You're putting your language into there. You know, this is your copy, and it's basically tweaking it for you.
Right, exactly. Yeah. It's doing what oh my gosh, it's doing what my copywriter used to do. But I don't see this replacing copywriters. I see this technology
helping,
enhancing, because now they will be able to produce copy quicker than before. So when they will probably could have 3 clients a week, maybe now they can potentially have more than that because now they will be able to reproduce the content a little quicker. So yeah, that's pretty good. What do you guys think about that as we close here? So let's see. Yeah, we're all set. We're all set. Yes, everyone.
Everybody has been tuning in and probably like quiet because they're trying out my guess would be ChatGPT because this thing is awesome.
It is.
This is awesome.
Let's take advantage. It's free right now, right?
Yeah, it's totally free. Chat.openai.com, and you can sign in with your Google account, for example, and just start. Just ask it a prompt. There are some sites where you can have all these different prompts there for you. So awesome chat prompts.chat has all this. This is pretty awesome. So
yeah, and also the u.com.
U.com, yeah.
U.com is pretty awesome too.
Yeah. I just love it. And shout out to Devis Asari. Devis Asari gave tons of prompts. Worked on tons of prompts here.
Yeah, just like act as a relationship coach. We can have fun with that.
Where's Dan?
I know, right, Dan?
Dan needs to be here for that. So.
No, like for real. That was like, oh, that's the one that acts as a rapper, you know? And it's
Yeah.
like, I want you to act as a rapper. You will come
Oh,
up
there
with
it is.
powerful and meaningful lyrics,
Right.
beats,
But
and rhythm that can wow the audience. Your
But-
lyrics should have an intriguing meaning.
yeah, but you see how it has this entire prompt, but then we said, hey, I want you to write a rap lyric about Ecamm Live. Go to ecamm.com for reference. Boom. Have at it. It's
Understood, but
pretty-
this is a great prompt. How about what would happen if we chose that and then give it the information?
This is what I was looking for earlier.
Yeah. Thank you, David.
So, act as a rapper, you come from blah, 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 blah.
I need to
Where
move the
was
comments
it?
over here. I can't see anything.
My first time. There you go.
Yeah, thank you. Puts it all the way over.
Where is it? You will come from info. Where is it where we change the... Okay, I need a rap about... Okay. Should we try Ecamm again?
Let's do poll. I need a rap about
Moderating a live stream?
yeah. Moderating a live stream using
On YouTube.
no just like straight like let's not limit it. So it's like I need a rap song about moderating a live stream. Use Paul Duncan, Mr. Moderator, as a character. Let's see what happens. We're over here like, yeah, we're done. Guys, after we turn off the
That's what
camera,
you're
we're
always
probably
saying.
gonna continue. I'm probably gonna write my blog for the next 2 weeks and have them check it for me.
Hold on. As a reference. And...
No, as a character, because we want him included in the rap.
And remove this and add that there. Boom.
Let's see. Look at how quickly it does it. Like, I'm the Paul Duncan. They call me. Oh, shoot. Okay. I keep the beats and make sure everything's in order. So it's almost like the one that he sent.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
it added Paul to it.
No, you added some fire to this. I'm the Paul Duncan. They call me Mr. Moderator. I keep the peace and make sure everything everything's in order. I'm in charge of the chat and I don't tolerate hate. I'm quick to ban any trolls. They ain't welcome on my plate. I'm the moderator. I keep it real. I make sure the stream is smooth and the vibe is chill. I'm the one in control. I'm the boss. I keep the chat clean and make sure everything's on the up and up. He's not rhyming. I got a lot of responsibility on my plate, but I handle it with grace and never hesitate. I'm the one who keeps the stream running smoothly. I'm the one who keeps the chat clean and the trolls at bay. See? It ain't easy being a moderator, but someone's got to do it. I'm the chosen one, yeah? I'm the one who keeps the peace and makes sure everything's okay. I'm the one who keeps the stream running smooth all day.
I'm the moderator. I keep it real.
I didn't do that because he didn't
I'm
rhyme.
the moderator.
He lost points for not
keep
rhyming.
It real. Oh my gosh, that's great. That's great. So, okay, so yeah, so you can check out that website with all those prompts. And yeah, it will be great later.
Can you copy that to Slack? Yes.
Okay. This is too great. This is too great. And yeah, so let's see what I have here. I'm having a blast using the gospel source.
You want this back over here?
Okay, yeah. Okay. I'm having a blast using this. I'm getting tweets, vlogs, podcast ideas, Zoom panels ideas, prayer suggestions for children, moms, etc. That's it. I mean, yes.
Awesome.
Yes, it's good for you. Good for you.
Awesome.
Okay, so Paul, we're copying it now. So yes, everyone, thank you so much for being here and trying all of these out for us. So you have some great tools for you, some great writing assistants that can help you create titles. It can help you make your thumbnail, right? That takes a little tweaking because you have to go back and forth, but it will give you more ideas than
generate ideas.
Yeah.
That's the best of all. Yeah, to create some ideas and get the brain flowing and stuff like that. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is great. Okay, everyone. Well, thank you so much. Enjoy your Friday. Remember that at 2 o'clock today, Doc is going to be live talking about all things Ecam Live. So make sure if you want to know more about Ecam Live, you check that out. It is today at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we will be back on Monday, which is ENN, Ecam Network News. And that's where we update the community on what's happening in the world of live streaming on Ecam Live. And we have a super awesome guest this week. He's going to be updating us on everything that is happening in the world of social media as of Monday, and any expectations and things like that the things that we can expect out of social media, what's in, what's out, and things like that. His name is
Jeff, Social Media News Live this Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here on the Ecam Live YouTube channel.
Yeah, and that is it for today, everyone. Thank you so much for being here with us. Have fun playing with these tools, especially with ChatGPT before it goes for, like, what did it say, $14.95?
Right. You.com was talking about some $14.95 a month.
I mean, I love how it itemized it, how it made it into a table, which is great. So yeah, continue playing with that, everyone. And
is Jasper's price gonna go down? Did I miss something?
I know. I don't know. I mean, like, Jasper, holy mother of God.
What's that? That's a early Black Friday sale or something like that. Okay.
That's why you need to double check, though. Like, it does have that disclaimer, right? Like, I might not be right all the time. My name ain't Doc, right? All right, everyone. Thank you so much. My name is Anna.
And I'm Fuljens Henry.
Bye. Thank you so much for watching.
Peace.